Viewers, welcome to Amos T online class. I am Amos T Kumagbe, and today we shall be discussing chemistry. The topic of our discussion is water of crystallization, and we have a question on the board. The question says, when 5 grams of a compound X was heated to a constant mass, 1.8 grams of water vapor was given off. Determine the number of molecules of water of crystallization in 1 molecule of X, given that the molar mass of it anhydrous form is 160 grams per mole. Take the molar mass of hydrogen to be 1 gram per mole and the molar mass of oxygen to be 16 grams per mole. This question is coming from NICO 1995. NICO 1995. Now, there are two things we need to understand. First, to understand the meaning of anhydrous. If they say something is anhydrous, what does it mean? And the meaning of hydrated. Anhydrous means it has water. Anhydrous means it does not have water. Does not have water. Hydrated means it has water. Hydrated has water, and anhydrous no water. Hydrated water. Now let's begin our solution right away. Now from the question, they said when 5 grams of a compound X, we don't know the compound yet, so that's why they're calling it X, was heated to a constant mass, 1.8 grams of water vapor was given off. So we're going to analyze this question. So A, when 5 grams of a compound X was heated to a constant mass, that means the mass of hydrated compound, the mass of hydrated X is equal to 5.0 grams. Mass of hydrated X is equal to 5.0 grams, was heated to a constant mass, 1.8 grams of water vapor was given off. So mass of B, mass of water expelled, or mass of water lost, is equal to 1.8 grams. Mass of water lost is equal to 1.8 grams. Now, the question says we should determine the number of molecules of water of crystallization in 1 molecule of X, given that the molar mass of it anhydrous form is 160 grams per mole. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to find the mass of anhydrous X. How do we find the mass of anhydrous X? We can find the mass of anhydrous X by subtracting the mass of water expelled, which in this case is 1.8 grams, from the mass of hydrated X, and in this case is 5.0 grams. So we're going to say that 5.0 grams minus 1.8 grams. So 5.0 grams minus 1.8 is equal to 3.2 grams. So the next thing is to write the molar mass of anhydrous X. The molar mass of anhydrous X from the question is 160 grams per mole. And the molar mass of water, how do we find the molar mass of water? We can find the molar mass of water by summing up the molar masses of hydrogen, and in this is 1 gram per mole, and the molar mass of oxygen, which is equal to 16 grams per mole. But to recall that in water there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, so we're going to say that 2 times 1, that is 2 times the molar mass. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 grams per mole. The molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. So the next thing is to find the number of moles of anhydrous X. Number of moles of anhydrous X. Number of moles of anhydrous X will be equal to mass of anhydrous X divided by the molar mass of anhydrous X. The mass of anhydrous X from our previous solving is 3.2 gram, and the molar mass from the question is 160 gram per mole. So if you check your calculator, 3.2 divided by 160 is 0.02 moles. So the number of moles of anhydrous X is equal to 0.02 moles. So the next thing is to find the number of moles of water. Now the mass of water from the question is equal to 1.8 gram, and the molar mass of water is 18.0 gram per mole. So 1.8 divided by 18.0, we're going to have 0.1 moles. And that is the mass of water. Now the question says we should determine the number of molecules of water of crystallization in 1 molecule of X. We should determine the number of molecules of water of crystallization in 1 molecule of X. So from this solving, we can see that 0.1 mole, that is number of moles of water, 0.1 mole is equal to 0.02 moles. That is by comparison. That is by comparing the ratio, that is by comparing the ratio of water to X, we're going to have by comparing this ratio, we're going to have 0.1 ratio, 0.02. So by dividing all through, by dividing both sides, or dividing all through by the smallest value, and in this case is 0.02, Zero point 0.1 divided by 0.02 is 5. 0.02 divided by 0.02 is 1. So the ratio now becomes 5:1. That means 5 molecules of water will combine with 1 formula unit of X. That is our final answer. 5 moles of water will combine with 1 formula unit of X, and that is our final answer. That is exactly what the question is asking us to do. If you are interested in this kind of videos, please do not forget to like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Amos T Online Class. Follow me on TikTok, Amos T Online Class, and on Facebook, Amos T Online Class and Amos T Kumagbe. Thank you and God bless you.